For our sixth problem, we have these 4 points given to us. Let's first plot them out on a graph. So this will be 0. We have a minus 4 comma 4. So this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, this is minus 4. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this point here is our k, minus 4 comma 4. And then we have 6.5 comma 6.5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this here is 6.5. I have 5, 6, and 7. This here is 6.5. Here we are with L 6.5 comma 6.5. Then we have a 2 comma minus 2. So minus 1, this is minus 2. So this point here is our M 2 comma minus 2. And lastly we have minus 5 comma minus 5. So this is minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. So this is our point. Now we are told that R is the point of intersection of Km and Ln, and it is known to cut the line segment Km in this ratio, 4:2 ratio. So let's identify R. So from our diagram, it appears to be the origin. Let's verify this. So we need this to be in the ratio of 4:2. So when we use the section formula, which is the coordinates of a point cutting a line segment in a ratio m1:m2 would be this: m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and then we have m1y2 plus m2y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So in this context, R is going to be 4 times 2 plus 2 times minus 4 by 6 comma 4 times minus 2 plus 2 times 4 divided by 6. And these two cancel out because it's 8 minus 8. These two also cancel out because minus 8 plus 8. So it is true, R, the point, is the origin. Moving on then, we have two other points P and Q given to be 4, 0, 0, minus 7. So these are on the axis. So this point here is P, 4, 0, and this is minus 6, this is minus 7. So this point here would become Q, which is 0, minus 7. Now let's look at the options. RP and RQ are parallel. This is one option. Let's verify. Now clearly this is 90 degrees. PR is perpendicular to RQ and not parallel. So this is definitely wrong and this is definitely right. Is there adequate information for finding the relation between RP and RQ? Yes. We have just found the relation. So there has been adequate information. Now let's look at angle LRP plus angle PRM. So we are interested in this angle plus angle PRM. So this sum is the total angle LRM. So we need to know what is the angle between LR and RM. So let's look at the slope of LR. So this slope, if I call it M1, this is equal to 6.5 minus 0 by 6.5 minus 0, which is 1, which is basically tan 45 degrees. So this angle here, it is 45 degrees. And now let's look at this angle here, which is PRM. Then if we looked at the slope here, which is M2, that is minus 2 minus 0 by 2 minus 0, which is minus 1, which is equal to tan of minus 45 degrees. Therefore, this angle here is minus 45 degrees because we're going clockwise from the horizontal. So in sum, we know that angle LRM is 45 degrees plus 45 degrees, leading us to see that this is 90 degrees. So this is true, which means the following statement is false. So this is false. And here we have again adequate information for finding the relation between LRP and PRM. Clearly we have 4 options correct, so none of the above is not